Today, I'm telling you the go-to features you'll need for the most successful fire rescue missions. So go get your popcorn and meet me back here in about 10 seconds. Firefighting is a tough job, but drones are making it a little easier. These flying machines have been helping firefighters battle blazes and save lives for the last decade. Here's what you need to look for in a firefighting drone. Thermal imaging cameras. Think of a thermal imaging camera as a firefighter's X-ray vision. It can see through smoke and find hot spots, trap people, and hidden fires. Long flight time. Firefighters need drones that can stay in the air for as long as possible, monitoring fires and giving real-time updates. The longer the flight time, the better. Hot swappable battery. If you need to come in for a battery swap, it needs to be quick. It's an emergency, people. Getting back in the air is crucial. Nobody's got time to reboot the drone when they charge batteries. Water resistance. Firefighters put out fires with water, people. Get yourself a drone that can handle it. Firefighting drones need to be tough. They need to withstand high temperatures, smoke, and anything else Mother Nature might throw at them. Obstacle avoidance. Fire scenes are chaotic, with smoke, flames, and falling debris. A good drone can dodge obstacles and keep itself safe. You don't want to worry about backing up into a tree or the ladder when you're trying to rescue people. That's dangerous and embarrassing. Payload capacity. Usually, the bigger the drone, the bigger the payload capacity. A powerful drone can carry extra gear, like thermal cameras, or even firefighting equipment. Conclusion. With these features, drones can help firefighters fight fires more effectively, save more lives, and protect property. If you need help with your next drone purchase, get in touch with us or visit us at dronefly.com for the latest. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe for all the latest drone info. I'm Daniel. Peace.